Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are re-diving into the enchanting world of one of the planet's most charming and playful creatures, the otter. Get ready to be captivated by these delightful semi-aquatic mammals. Otters belong to the Mustelidae family, a group that also includes weasels, badgers, and ferrets. But what makes otters truly special is their incredible adaptation to life both in and out of the water. There are 13 different species of otters spread across the globe. From the river otters of North America to the giant otters of the Amazon and the sea otters along the Pacific coast. Whether they're in freshwater rivers and lakes or salty coastal waters, these animals have perfected the art of thriving in aquatic environments. Let's take a closer look at what makes an otter well. An otter? Their bodies are a masterclass in hydrodynamic design, long, sleek, and streamlined. They're built for speed and agility in the water. They have small heads, and when they dive, they can cleverly close their ears and nostrils to keep water out. But their most famous feature is undoubtedly their fur. Otters have the densest fur of any animal in the world. It's a double-layered coat. The outer layer consists of long, waterproof guard hairs that keep them dry, while the thick, fuzzy underfur traps a layer of air. This air layer acts like a built-in wetsuit, insulating them from the cold and keeping them warm even in chilly waters. When it comes to swimming, they're absolute pros. Their webbed feet act like powerful flippers, and their strong, muscular tails work like rudders, steering them with incredible precision. Combine that with their flexible bodies, and you get a creature that moves through the water with effortless grace. Some species are such skilled divers that they can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes while hunting for their next meal. But otters aren't just physically impressive. They're also incredibly smart and have a personality that's impossible not to love. They are famously curious and playful. You've probably seen videos of them sliding down muddy riverbanks or snowy slopes, seemingly just for the fun of it. They love to juggle small rocks, toss them in the air, and catch them. This isn't just for entertainment. For young otters, this play helps develop the dexterity they'll need for hunting. Sea otters take this intelligence a step further. They are one of the few non-primate mammals known to use tools. They'll find a rock and use it as a tiny anvil, placing it on their bellies while they float on their backs, then smashing open hard-shelled prey like clams, mussels, and crabs against it. It's an amazing display of problem-solving skills in the animal kingdom. Beyond their playful antics, otters lead rich and complex social lives. Most species are quite sociable, often living in family groups called rafts or romps. These groups typically consist of a mother and her pups, but sometimes they can be larger, with extended family members. Communication is key to their social structure. They use a wide range of vocalizations to talk to each other: whistles, chirps, squeals, and even screams. These sounds can express excitement, warn of danger, or help family members find each other. They're also territorial. Otters mark their home ranges using scent from special glands. This scent, left on droppings called spraints, acts like a calling card, letting other otters know who lives there, their social status, and even their reproductive readiness. It's a sophisticated way to manage territory and avoid unnecessary conflicts. A particularly heartwarming behavior seen in sea otters is holding hands while they sleep. They do this so they drift away from each other in the water, a beautiful symbol of their strong social bonds. So what do these energetic animals eat? Otters are carnivores with a big appetite, which they need to fuel their high metabolism and stay warm. Their diet varies depending on the species and where they live. Freshwater otters primarily feast on fish, but they won't say no to amphibians like frogs, crayfish, or even small mammals and birds near the water's edge. Sea otters, on the other hand, specialize in marine invertebrates. Their menu includes sea urchins, crabs, clams, and abalone. They are formidable hunters, typically most active at dawn and dusk. Using their incredible speed, sharp teeth, and sensitive whiskers to detect movement in murky water, they are highly efficient predators. When it comes to family, otters are incredibly devoted parents. After a gestation period of about 2 to 3 months, a mother otter will give birth to a litter of 2 to 5 pups. These pups are born blind, toothless, and completely reliant on their mother. The mother's den, called a holt, is often a burrow dug into a riverbank or a natural hollow, providing a safe and cozy nursery. Mother otters are exemplary caregivers. They nurse their young, keep them impeccably clean, and teach them all the essential life skills. This includes lessons on how to swim, hunt for food, and avoid predators. Sea otter mothers are especially nurturing. They cradle their pups on their chests as they float, grooming them constantly to maintain the insulating quality of their fur. The pups will stay with their parents for a long time, sometimes up to a year or more, learning everything they need to know before they venture out to start their own families. Otters are more than just cute faces. They are a vital part of their ecosystems. As apex predators in many of their habitats, they play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. By preying on certain species, they help control their populations and prevent them from becoming too abundant. For example, by eating sea urchins, sea otters protect kelp forests. Without otters, sea urchin populations can explode and decimate these vital underwater forests, which serve as nurseries and homes for countless other marine species. Because of this, otters are considered a keystone species. Their presence is also a great indicator of a healthy environment. Otters can only thrive in clean, unpolluted water with a plentiful food supply. So, if you see otters in a river or a coastal area, it's a very good sign that the ecosystem is in good shape. They are, in a way, the guardians of our waterways. Unfortunately, the future for many otter species is uncertain. Their populations are under serious threat from a number of human-caused problems. Water pollution from agricultural runoff and industrial chemicals contaminates their homes and their food. Habitat loss is another major issue, as urbanization, deforestation, and the draining of wetlands destroy the places they live and hunt. Sadly, they are also illegally hunted for their luxurious fur, and some are captured for the illegal pet trade. Many otter species, including the sea otter, giant otter, and hairy-nosed otter, are now listed as endangered or threatened, but there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway around the world to protect these incredible animals. These initiatives include creating protected reserves, cleaning up polluted rivers, restoring habitats, and implementing strict laws against poaching. In some areas, reintroduction programs have successfully brought otters back to rivers where they had vanished decades ago. These efforts are a testament to what we can achieve when we commit to protecting our planet's biodiversity. Protecting otters means protecting the health of our rivers, lakes, and oceans for generations to come. So, the next time you see an otter, whether in a documentary or lucky enough to spot one in the wild, remember just how special they are. They are intelligent, playful, and essential members of their ecosystems. Let's all do our part to ensure these charismatic creatures continue to slide, swim, and play in our world's waters for many years to come. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the world of otters. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the amazing animals we share our planet with, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.